Yes, ako nga pala si Chris Soloria. And since 2019, isa akong food delivery rider and then Lalamove rider din ako dati.
What was your situation like before? Anong lifestyle mo nun?
Ayun, araw-araw na biyahe.
Aha.
Then naging ano nga pala din ako, naging Shopee rider din pala ako for 3 years.
Wow.
Nagde-deliver din ako ng parcel.
Ang galing, talagang buhay,
Oh,
talagang
buhay delivery.
rider. You're
Mm.
always on the road. I'm curious kasi kung iisipin, no, ang layo ng ng relevance, no, from road to digital space. What made you interested na magtrabaho online?
Since nung employee ako,
Mhm.
naging pangarap ko yung mag-work from home. Yes, kasi graphic artist ako, so laging online din yung trabaho ko dati.
Right. Interesting.
Mm.
So, naging graphic artist ka before. For how
Yes.
long?
4 years.
Mm.
Bagong pandemic yun, na-stop na yung trabaho ko eh.
Okay, so if I will look into it, pre-pandemic, graphic artist ka online,
Yes,
and then during pandemic and post-pandemic, naging writer ka.
naging rider ako.
And then, how did you know about the ASFA?
Bago ako mag-rider, naghahanap ako ng source of income. So nakita ko din yung ASWA. Napanood ko lahat yung yung mga video, yung mga success story,
Wow, na-inspire ka.
na-inspire ako. Kaya lang, ang problema ko naman nun, since wala kaming pera,
Mm.
naibenta ko yung laptop ko. Yun yung naging sad point para sa akin. So, I ended up na maging food delivery. Yun na lang yung talaga yung way para mabuhay yung pamilya ko.
Oh, thank you for sharing that, no? Grabe, I admire your courage and you taking the risk out there. Pero you mentioned you sold your laptop
Mm.
to make your ends meet, no?
Mm. Fast forward, itong 2024, wala na ako sa Shopee nun eh. Yun yung regular na job ko dati. Sa YouTube uli ako nun, nakita ko na naman si Aswa. Parang dinalaw na naman niya ako.
Parang
Kinamusta niya uli ako.
para sa'yo talaga.
Parang sinabi niya, uy, kamusta na? Since pandemic, ano na nangyari sa iyo?
Oh, dinalaw ka ngayon.
Ayun, parang dinalaw ko.
Then,
Tapos pinanood ko uli yung mga success story. Doon ako nakita uli yung tambay na naging VA. Tapos yung senior na naging VA din. Ayun, na-inspire talaga ako sa mga stories nila. Kaya
amazing.
lang at that time,
Mm,
wala akong laptop. Wala akong PC
right.
na gagamitin.
Oo nga. So, paano?
So
Paano mo?
wala din akong perang pang-enroll nun.
Oh,
Siyempre, gumawa ako ng paraan. Kasi, I'm sure 5 years from now, kung yun pa rin ang dahilan ko, ganito pa rin ang situation ko.
I love that. I love that mindset, no?
Yes, if you can change your mind, you can change your life.
I love it.
Mm.
If you can change your mind, you can change your life. That's very inspiring. Na-feel ko yon, and that also resonates with me na kung gusto mong may magbago sa'yo, you have to change your mind and
Mm. Because, yes. Because
deliver.
I want to change my
Mhm.
life, yung gumawa ko ng paraan, kahit na mahirap, naghanap ako ng mga pwede kong ma-loan para maka-afford lang ako ng laptop tsaka pang-enroll.
So, nag-loan ka para may mapang-enroll at mapambili ng laptop.
Mm.
So, talagang nag-invest ka. You saw
Nag-invest ako talaga.
loan
Mm.
as an investment.
Mm.
Ang galing. Ang galing. So, nung nag-enroll ka na, how was your experience inside the ASVA course and the community?
ASBA Masterclass,
Mm.
ito yung naging foundation ko to become a virtual assistants. Kasi lahat ng detailed tinuturo na dito eh, from A to Z. Ano yung mga gagamitin na tools? Other than that, yung guidance, tsaka yung hands-on training. Yun
Yes.
yung nagustuhan ko eh.
Mhm.
Na kahit mahirap, natututo ka kahit mahirap yung product research,
Oh,
natututo ka.
yes.
Ah,
Usually talaga, nasa product research ang corona, no? Yan yung
Oo.
pinaka-challenging eh. Let's talk about ano naman. I'm curious, no? What were the major challenges when you're finding the clients and how did ASVA help you to overcome them?
Challenging ay yung ano, ay yung paggawa ng mga cover letter,
Mm,
ng resume. Kasi meron doon sa ASBA na tinuturuan ka kung paano gumawa ng resume,
right.
cover letter, saka yung online portfolio.
So, nung natutunan mo na yon, edi nag-apply ka na, no?
Mm.
Um, Curious ako, like, nung naghahanap ka na ng work sa interview, anong naging challenges mo noon? Anong naging struggle mo?
Yung paulit-ulit na ano, na pag-apply tapos nare-reject.
Mhm.
Pero yung naging kliyente ko ngayon, siya yung nag-approach naman sa akin.
Oh, tell me.
Siya yung hindi ko in-applyan.
Oh, tell us more. San mo siya, saan kanya nahanap? Paano
Doon
kanya
sa
nahanap?
ano, sa OLJ.
Okay. So, anong ginawa mo ba sa profile mo para ma-approach ka?
Yun lang kung ano yung natutunan ko sa ano,
Yes.
sa ASWA.
Nice. Interesting.
Yes.
How was the interview process pala? So, I'm curious, no? Kasi tatanungin ka, anong previous experience mo? Tinanong ka ba nun? Anong mga tinanong sa'yo sa interview?
Tinanong lang ako sa mga ano, yung kung anong kaya kong gawin sa product research. So, ano, ang binigay ko sa kanya, online portfolio ko. Kumbaga, yun na yung on yun na yung nagsalita para sa akin. Yung mga assignment na ginawa ko, nandun siya.
I love that. Isa ka talagang action taker kasi alam mo yon, ginawa mo yung lahat ng homework and you made sure that you are ready going out there. Not necessarily may experience ka na agad, pero yung assignments pa lang, it helps you to
Oo.
feel ready to face the client because you have every foundation that you need for you to start. But can you share with our audience, gaano katagal yung waiting period mo after mong graduate for you to get your first client?
Actually, hindi pa ako nag-graduate. May client na ako eh.
Wow!
Oo. Nag-graduate kami, ano eh, January, first week. Nagka-client ako before Christmas.
Ay, gift sa'yo ni Lord. Ang galing. Before Christmas mo siya na-close.
Oo.
So, ilang months na kayo? Like 2 months? Tama ba?
Mag 2 months.
Magto 2 months na. So, legit na kasi binabayaran ka na eh.
Oo.
Ay, ang ganda ng ngiti natin. Speaking of binabayaran, if I may ask a question, usually curious ang mga tao sa tanong na to. At alam ko nung nagsisimula ka din, curious ka. If you will compare how much you're earning when you were a rider to being an Amazon VA right now, anong difference?
Masasabi ko, nasa times 4 or 5.
Amazing! I'm so happy to hear that. So, times 5, ganda ng ngiti natin. Yan ang mga ngiti ng times 5. Oh my God. Nakakahawa naman yung joy mo, Chris. So, nag times 5 yung sahod mo from a rider to becoming an Amazon product research specialist.
Mm.
Amazing. Amazing. So inspiring. Na-curious kasi ako, if okay lang ba? Itanong ko sa'yo.
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay. So, how much yung per hour mo nung nag-start ka with this client?
Anong trial ko siya, ano, $3 lang
$3 per
for
hour.
two,
And
for 2 weeks.
for 2 weeks, and you're working
Mm.
8 hours a day.
Mm.
Okay.
Then yung natapos yung trial, naging 7 na siya. Yung
Ah,
nagustuhan niya yung trabaho.
nagustuhan niya yung trabaho mo, so he extended your contract after 2 weeks, and then now
Mm.
you are being paid $7 per hour.
Mm.
Oh my God! Kaya pala ngiting times 5 talaga tayo. I'm so happy for you. Grabe. From $3 to $7 per. That's times 2.
Oo.
And wala namang duda kasi you are really giving value to this client, Chris.
Yes.
Kaya nagustuhan ka niya talaga. I'm curious naman ngayon. Ngayong may client ka na, Chris, what's the most rewarding experience of being able to work and earn from your home?
Flexibility ng work
Mm-hmm.
na hindi na ako yung gigising ka ng maaga. Nung employee ako, gumigising na ako ng ng 6 o'clock eh.
Sumasaba ka nun kasi yun yung peak hours, no?
Oo nga,
Besides the flexibility, ano pa yung na-experience mo ngayon na you are enjoying?
time sa family.
And if there's one ultimate advice you can give to our aspiring ASVAs, what would it be?
Para sa mga aspiring aspiring Amazon VA, syempre your skills and abilities improve over time.
Mhm.
But for that, you need to start to learn and get out of your comfort zone. Maging matyaga lang at wag matakot magsimula.
I
Hindi
love
mo
it.
na hindi mo naman kailangan maging expert agad eh.
Yes,
Kasi natututunan naman 'yan. Ang
yeah,
mahalaga, makapagsimula ka.
I love it.
Give,
You're
give time to learn.
Yes. And there's so much integrity and conviction nung sinabi mo yung magsimula ka lang kasi yung background mo, sinabi mo nga, nag-loan ka and everything just to
Oh,
start and make things happen. You are a person and a man of action, Chris. Thank you so much for sharing your story. Na-inspire ako personally on your story. Chris, I'm gonna ask you right now, are you a proud member of ASFA?
yes.
Yes, amazing. Thank you so much, Chris, for sharing your beautiful story. It's so inspiring. I hope marami kang na-inspire sa ating audience today. I love the fact na you didn't really dwell on that negative thoughts and excuse
Yes.
na you've had. Kasi kung excuses lang, feeling ko winner na winner ka doon, na, 'di ba? Ang yun ng
Mm-mm.
previous experience, walang laptop, walang pambili ng course, but you made things happen by God's grace. I'm so happy.
Taking action.
Yes, I'm so inspired and so happy to hear your story. Take action lang, guys. So again,
Mm.
thank you so much, Chris, and thank you everyone for being with us in this success story today, and we will see you again soon.